Hi, we have the DJI Neo 2 drone here and we're gonna try flying it. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna do it in a manual mode. So I'm gonna place it here and then check it out. My mobile trying me, so I'm gonna try flight. Yep, that's the flight. Let's see how it goes. And yes, absolutely, we can fly indoors as well, but you need to be a little bit skilled. In my app, it shows takeoff permitted, so no worries. Can you do that? I'm gonna move to the left, to the right, forward, and backward, to the right, to the left. I'm gonna place it center and then going up, going down, going up again, and rotate. Rotate to the left, and then rotate to the right, and bring it back. Do you wanna see where it is? It's here, I want it. Can you see? Literally here. Let me rotate to the That's it, guys. One girl. I think it's so fun, right? I think I'm gonna land it now.
Landing. Landing.
Did you see that? Did you see that? You should. Yes, that's awesome. This is fun, really. That's, by the way, that's what do you call, palm landing, they call it, which is so cool, isn't it? That's the cool part about this cute little DJI Neo 2. So, yeah. So, yeah. It's basically awesome. But the problem is, it realistically flies somewhere around 7 minutes so far, including recording. I mean, until it hit 40%. So if it hit 40%, I usually stop using it. Because, while testing it out, I think it's very important to take note of that. Or else it might hit something inside the apartment which I don't want, or it might suddenly come to land when the charging is critically low. I don't know, I did not test it outside yet, so I just don't want to take any risk. I hope it won't do any such thing. I am pretty sure they will have some sort of safety and everything, but yeah, just for my safety purpose, that's all. And yes, I did not fly it outside yet, but I'm gonna try it this morning, because right now the time is around 4 a.m. Maybe around 7 a.m. I think 3 more hours later I will definitely fly it on maybe on 42nd floor, something on the open spaces, for just like 5 to 10 minutes. We'll see how it goes and so on and so forth.